Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming capability and inputs. This matters because not all models handle two sources simultaneously. Once done, connect each HDMI or app source so the TV recognizes them. Make sure to power on both devices and use the input selector on your remote to load the first source. You want the TV to detect each input before proceeding. If one is missing, stop and confirm cables and input labels. Now proceed to the split screen menu to pick layout options. You now enter the split screen menu to choose how the screen divides. This step controls visibility and audio routing. Select a layout such as 50/50 or 70/30 because different content benefits from different proportions. Once chosen, assign each input to a pane. Use the remote to highlight a pane and pick an HDMI or app source. Make sure audio is routed correctly. Some TVs let you change audio to the left or right pane. After assigning, preview and you wrap up by saving the layout and watching both panes to confirm video and audio are working. This completes the setup. Make final adjustments, crop, aspect ratio, or zoom to avoid stretched or letterboxed images and balance audio so you hear the primary pane clearly. If something goes wrong, first swap cables and ports, then reboot the TV and sources. If issues persist, update the TV firmware or consult the model's split screen guide. That should get you viewing two sources smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.